Isang gabing punong-puno ng pagpapanggap bilang mayaman. Hi mga ka-TLR, dahil nga sa kapapanood natin ng Korean Culinary Class Wars sa Netflix, ito tayo at nagkikrave ng mga masasarap na pagkain. Mabuti na lang at inimbitahan tayo sa culminating event ng La Flamme Bleu Center for Culinary Arts dito sa Tuguegarao City. Dito nga ay mag-feature sila ng kanilang umakasi tasting menu kung saan may interaction ng mga chefs sa mga customers habang hinahanda ang pagkain. Pagpasok pa nga lang sa kanilang culinary center, kitang-kita mo talaga na kumpleto ang kanilang facilities. Biruin mo ba naman, hindi mo na kailangan magbiyahe ng malayo papuntang NCR para lang mag-aral ng culinary arts dahil meron na dito sa Tuguegarao. Kasama nga natin sa ating food experience ang aking kaibigan at isang sikat na food vlogger sa Facebook at TikTok, si Mr. Bats. Wait muna, magpapakasosyal muna tayo sa ating voiceover. Music, pasok! Our first course is tuna loin coated with toasted sesame seed with pickled beets glazed in passion fruit, topped with foam, wasabi, and seaweed. Second is called Walk in the Woods, tempura fried enoki topped with king oyster mushrooms spread with cream shiitake sauce and side with shimeji confit mushroom. Third dish is called Illusion. It's a cold soup. Its primary ingredient is tomato. Next in line is the liver lox. It's a liver pate with dragon fruit and pears spears with a top of pastry to wheel. We also tried Miracle Squid. This is a confit squid with cilantro speared, squid ink mousse, and cucumber paper. And for our main dish, golden belly. Braised pork belly with pickled ginger on the side and a top of carrot to wheel with a glass of white wine. And to wash the taste of the golden belly, we tried lemon pepper bee, made with honey lemon, thyme with bird's eye chill sorbet. We also tried slow braised bleas, braised short ribs with bell sauce, nori dusted and pouch egg, pickled onion and mushroom with red wine. We also had creamy dream balls made with soufflé panipuri with queso crema with chorizo filling. And for our dessert, which is my favorite, coconut mousse sides with raindrop cake and moss. Grabe ang hirabig kasi ng iba. Honestly, I enjoyed majority of the foods. Talagang pinag-isipan at pinaghandaan ng bawat pagkain ng mga graduates at current students ng La Flamme Bleu. Gaya nga naman napapanood ko, meron silang black or white na uniform. White kung student ka at black naman kapag graduate ka na. Kinausap nga natin ng ilan sa mga estudyante dito, gaya na lang ni Bryle Malonga. Dating medical student pero dahil sa pandemic, nakahiligan na niya na ang pagluluto. Bukod nga sa pagluluto ay marami rin siyang natututunan dito.
Pinakamalaki po is patience and understanding po talaga. Since ang dami kong pinagdaanan dito sa school, pinagalitan, and yan, ayun po. And natuto po akong maging patient and understanding po sa mga nagtuturo sa akin.
Si Engineer Jeneline Kaddawan naman, kahit civil engineer na, naisipan pa rin mag-enroll.
Ako, para magkaroon ako ng other option. Actually, matagal na akong nag-inquire. Sa batch 15 sana ako, pero natuloy lang ako sa batch 16. Para lang may other option sana kung walang sa construction.
Our students are from different backgrounds. We have graduates of bachelor degrees and professionals, doctors, engineers, ganyan. Yung curriculum niya is with 5 terms wherein yung 4 years na inaaral sa base sa culinary program na culinary diploma, compacted siya into 1-year diploma. Yung mga graduates natin, they are employed locally and abroad.
Kaya naman napapaisip ako kung mag-enroll ako o magbabago na ako ng career para hindi puro kain. Ngayon, luto naman. Kung worried kayo sa tuition fee, no worries dahil pwede naman itong maging installment. Worth it naman ang every peso nyo dahil world class naman ang mga itinuturo dito. If you're interested mag-enroll or kung curious ka lang kung magkano ang tuition fee, please call 0917 508-8701 or visit them at the second floor of MJCL Branch 1 Building, Luna Street, Ugak Highway. Harap lang ito ng SM Tuguegarao City Downtown at side ng bagong building ng Lighthouse Cooperative. Hanggang dito na lang mga ka-TLR, PJ Cabanos once again ng Tuguegarao Local Reviews. Yun lang, bye!